Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you so much, Isaac, for giving opportunity to speak in front of such an incredible audience, having doctors, lawyers, professionals, religious leaders, and all friends. Actually, Muhammad Isxaaq and Karna are working very hard for you, Mr. Pierre. And especially Isxaaq Muhammad do call me after midnight and he say, Mr. Badar, did you see my leader's tweet? My leader foreign policies? Did you watch his interview? At midnight, I could not respond to him, but he is your asset. And a big round of applause for him. Last night, Mr. Pierre, I attended an award ceremony and I met many Pakistani doctors, engineers, professionals. But I want to mention only one name, Dr. Naveed Sayyed. He is the first Pakistani Canadian scientist who is the first neurosurgeon, neuroscientist who connected our brain to a neurochip. Our community is very energetic. Our community is very lovely and very loyal. But sometimes we feel little bit distance between Muslim community and the Conservative Party. But I hope you have two guys, Karna ji and Isxaaq. They will do it as soon as possible that our community